Everybody, and welcome to Raw Living for Health. We have another recipe this morning for the ketogenic diet. It is green power blast porridge. First you start off with adding 2 tablespoons into a frying pan, and you want to saute 1 green onion for 2 to 3 minutes. We added 3 cups of water to a boiling pot, and we're going to be adding 1 pound of spinach. You want to clean your spinach and Swiss chard prior to putting it in the pot. We had bought spinach that already had been cleaned, so we're good there. Then we're going to be adding the Swiss chard next, and you'll need a half a pound of Swiss chard, and you want to remove the tough stems that come with that and only use the leaves, the big leaves. And we're going to bring this to a boil for about 15, well, once it's brought to a boil, then you just want to simmer it for 15 minutes until it's all cooked down. And we're going to bring it to a boil, let it simmer for 15 minutes, and then you also want to add your salt and pepper prior to putting the lid on. Now it's been simmering for 15 minutes. We're going to transfer this over into the food processor, and we are going to blend it for 15 minutes. I mean, not 15 minutes, I'm sorry. We're just going to blend it until it's smooth. So you add this mixture into the food processor, and then we'll also be adding our sauteed green onions. That goes in, and we're going to blend this until it's smooth, and then we're going to be adding 1/4 cup of coconut milk, and we'll see how it turns out here. So adding the green onions, and then we're going to blend until it's smooth. Okay, now we're going to add the 1/4 cup of coconut milk, and then we're going to blend it again until it's creamy. This is a new recipe. We've not done this one before, so we'll do a taste test after. Also, this recipe is a serving for 6 people. You can cut it in half if you'd like.
Looks like soup.
So, well, it's good. Okay. So we're going to do the taste test. We'll let you know how it tastes. It's kind of like a soup. A green soup, I would say. All right, let's do the taste test, dear.
Taste test, huh? Okay. Am I the guinea pig?
Yep.
Looks hot.
Okay, here we go. Hey.
So that tastes
Okay, what's it taste like?
mild. It's it tastes good.
Is it good?
Yeah, I think I would add garlic to it, but
All right.
there you go.
So I guess you can do it, taste it, and then add some spices if you want a different taste. But that's the recipe for the Green Power Blast porridge. Alright, thanks for watching. I have to add something to the porridge that we made. We did add 3 cups of water in with the porridge, and it turned out to be more like a soup, which is still very delicious. So if you don't want it to be a green soup, then you can not add the 3 cups and just take the ingredients out of the pot, the spinach and the chard, and put it into the blender with the coconut milk, and that will make it more into a porridge, not a soup. But the mistake we made turned out to be pretty good, and it is a green soup now, and it's still very delicious. So either way you can make it, it's up to you. Alright, thanks for watching.